Welcome to Mimir's Forge. Today we are building an ocean in a shell. It's a small project this time, because I have something bigger on the workbench that I need time for. First I clean the shell with isopropyl and a toothbrush. Then I remove the isopropyl with a paper towel. Now it's time to make the beach. For this I mix sand, PVA glue, and a little water. It all gets mixed up. I spread the mess in the shell with a small spatula. This is how the beach and seabed are formed. To give the whole thing more depth, I paint the rear area, that of the deep water, dark blue. I mix up a small amount of epoxy here. A small postage scale is really helpful with such small amounts. I add some blue pigment to the mess and mix thoroughly. After mixing, I let the epoxy sit for a while to allow air bubbles to rise to the surface. I put a piece of cloth underneath to align the shell. This also has the advantage that I don't mess up my work area. Bit by bit, I fill the shell with epoxy. Until the desired filling level is finally reached. The surface of epoxy is too smooth. I want some structure, so I make waves out of PVA glue. To give the whole thing a little more depth, I made a small crest of waves out of white acrylic paint. I spray the surface with isopropyl so that the color spreads better. I blow through a straw to spread the paint. And that's it. Like, subscribe, thanks for watching, bye!